Mercedes-Benz GLE450 and electric parking brake malfunction. So for electric parking brake, just I rotate this wheel and it's moving. So means parking brake is not locked, and this one is fully locked. You cannot move this one wheel. After that, I thought I should interchange the actuator motor. After interchanging the actuator motor, then I check and found the left side wheel is locked and right side is unlocked. Means one actuator motor which was fixed on the left side, that is not working properly. And this is the actuator motor of parking brake. So only one electric connection and two 5 mm Allen key bolt. After removing the 5 mm bolt, just you can pull out this actuator motor. This one is new with a new actuator motor, one o-ring, and there are 2 screws. Just press and it will lock.
Wow.
After that, switch on ignition and operate parking brake switch 2 and 3 times, more than 3 times.